Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is garden by small spaces. Designing a garden in small spaces requires careful planning and creative solution to make the most of the valuable area. Here are some tips to help you create a beautiful and functional garden in small spaces. The first one is define the purpose. Determine how you want to use your garden space. Do you want it to be relaxing, retreat, a vegetable garden, or a combination or both? Having a clear purpose in mind will help you make design decisions that align with your goals. Vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space by incorporating vertical gardens, hanging basket trussels, or wall mounted planters. Growing plants vertically not only maximize space but also add visual interest to your garden. Choose the right plants. For plants that are suitable for small spaces. Look for compact varieties, defer shrubs, and plants that can be trained to grow vertically. Select plants that offering multiple sessions of interest and consider their growth habits to prevent overcrowding. So, number 4 is create levels. Use different levels to create depth and visual interest. Incorporate raised bed, terrace, or tire planters to add dimension to your garden. This allows you to grow greater variety of plants while maximizing space. Number 5 is utilize containers. Containers gardening is an excellent option for small spaces. Use pot plants